What's up, guys? Just doing a nice little night cruise. Practice some wheelies. Nothing too crazy. Alright, we're getting a little better. We practiced all day yesterday and the day before. So, hoping we're going to see some of that progress today. Getting more comfortable with these new wheels. Bring it back. Yeah. That's it. Woohoo! I like that one. All right, let's do it again. Oh yeah. I lowered the PSI today. So that's why we're wheeling a little bit better, a little bit straighter. All right, let's hit the little hill. This always is super easy to wheelie up. One footer. Can't do a one-hander, but I can do a one-footer. Hold up, I want to go on this. This may or may not be a walking trail or a bicycle trail, but I just want to get on this, show you guys a nice little view. Oh my goodness. For those of you wondering, CRF 250L is in supermoto mode. You can check out the install video here, first ride video also here. But yeah, she looks so freaking good. This is a nice little view of the Susquehanna. All right, I guess we can wheelie this, right? Straight into the pole. Take the turn. We'll get turns, guys. Don't you worry, they're coming. Woohoo! Oh, I love the upgraded braking power on this. Oh, the new front rotor. Oh, beautiful. We gotta wheelie this now. Guys, I really got to apologize because the wheelies in the past couple of videos have sucked. I think it's safe to say that we are back. 12, please? Oh, those are cops. We're just gonna keep on riding. Guys, it's so funny how music changes your mood. Like, at the beginning of the video, I was just listening to a super chill song, so I'm like, what's up, guys? And then I just had a hype song come on, so now I'm wheeling past cops, all excited. I guess I'm easily influenced by music. Oh, this thing sounds so good. Mike Trout. All right, I'll follow you guys. These guys are flying. I think they've got a little bit more displacement than me, though. Cruising in the convertible. How can that dude even see? His hair is just all on his face. I bet you neither of these guys can wheelie. Alright, I guess we're just going this way. You can do a little grip test here around the little circle. As long as we get green lights, that is. Give me green lights. Give me green. Oh, that light just isn't working, but okay. Can we scrape peg now? Oh. Ready, we'll skirt in. Here? Don't do it. What are you doing? Oh, guys, I'm just aimlessly driving around. I want to find another wheelie spot. I'd go back to the street I usually ride on, but there were 3 cops sitting there that I wheelied by earlier, obviously. So I'm a little hesitant to go back there. Alright, let's just go right up here. See what we got. Yeah, guys, if you plan on converting your CRF 250L to a Supermoto, this is probably applicable to any bike, but it is going to feel totally different. So you're going to have to kind of like sort of relearn wheelies. I don't want to say relearn, but you're just going to have to adjust yourself to them. Ah, that's cool. Woo! What the fuck? Is this just a stray dog? Huh. Hey, buddy. Come here, buddy. Yeah, he's not about it. He's like, bro, I don't give a fuck about you. Oh. Hey, buddy. Come here. He doesn't even look like he has a collar on or anything. Unfortunately, I wouldn't be surprised if someone just took him here and fucking dumped him, because that's what people do. And I feel like it's so common with pit bulls. He looks like he wants help. Hey, buddy. Yeah, I don't know. Fortunately, there's nothing I can do. This is legit the worst place in the world you can be on a bike in the middle of an intersection, trying to turn left. Dude, those electric bikes are crazy, man. Everywhere. Jesus Christ, bro. Fucking gonna go any slower? Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you next time. Peace.